Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel learnElectronics India. So I welcome you all back to the basic electronics series. So friends, today we are going to understand the basic three different things on formation of a circuit. So that is, what does a closed circuit mean? What does open circuit mean? And what does short circuit mean? So let's start. So closed circuit, if you recall our very first class, we have started our class learning what does a circuit mean, right? So any circuit have two things. What is that? A source which you give supply. It may be a battery, it may be the line that is coming to your home. And next is load. It may be a fan, it may be a light, it may be an LED, it may be a speaker, it may be a TV, anything. So if you are able to join source and load, then we call it as a closed circuit or a complete circuit. Cool. So now, what does open circuit mean? Now we will see what is an open circuit mean. So instead of completing the circuit entirely, in simple words, if the circuit is not complete, if you can see this picture here, so that circuit is not closed, right? So here the negative terminal is not attached to the bulb. So we can say this way that the circuit is incomplete. So in this type or this way, we call it as an open circuit. So open circuit is dangerous because this may lead to electrocution. Sometimes if you can see this image on the right, what happens if the lines or if the wire got broke, so that just fall onto the ground. It even happens like sometimes if you go out, the wires got cut and they lay on the ground. So if you touch them, resulting to get you shock, right? So these are very dangerous. So next is short circuit. So short circuit is a case where instead of source giving supply to the load, there is an unexpected connection between the circuit, resulting the flow to be in that particular way. So if you can see this image on the right, so the flow of electrons is taking place in this line, and since current always follows the lowest resistance path, so we can see the flow is in this way, and there is no supply to the bulb or no supply to the load, which is not allowed. So this is the basic understanding, or this is the basic explanation of what does the closed circuit mean, open circuit mean, and a short circuit mean. So now this is my favorite part. This is all of our favorite part. That is the design of our day. So with respect to the concept that we discuss in our video, we make a small circuit. So today we are going to make a maze game circuit. So this is if you watch the Mr. Bean, so this is my favorite series of Mr. Bean. So where Mr. Bean goes to a science exhibition and he enjoys and he messes up so many things and he enjoys that as well. So in that episode, Mr. Bean plays this game where he need to solve this loop in this maze, right? So we are going to make this circuit, and we will do this. Before doing that, I want you to just pause the video and try to put the model of this particular circuit on the paper. Cool. So the circuit looks something like this. So this is the maze, the pattern that you want to, and you have a battery, and this is the LED which glows when you don't go to the pattern correctly, or you can even use buzzer or another indication as well. And this is the loop. This is the loop with which you're gonna solve this maze. So this is the circuit, or this is general representation of your entire circuit on paper, or entire block diagram on the paper. So now the second thing, so I got to find this in our online. This is a general animation model, which this is how our circuit looks, and this is how I made. So what I did was I was able to find most of the things in my home. So you can also get this. See this, for making a loop I used a fork, and for making the maze I used the cycle spoke. You can get a cycle spoke at any cycle shop. So take the cycle spoke and bend it with respect to the design that you want. So I have a button LED here and a 5 volts battery. And with respect to the circuit design, or with respect to the representation that we made before this one, I connected the circuit. So now let me show you the video. See this. So when I touch the maze, you can see this LED glowing. See, when I touch the maze, the LED flickers. Can you see that? The LED is flicking. Yeah. So I'm not, I didn't do this puzzle well, but see, so I wantedly did it here so that I can show you what happens if you touch the loop to the maze. So this is the game challenge. Cool, right? So this is how, like, if you don't touch the maze, you are having an open circuit, right? When you touch the mesh, you are completing the circuit, thereby you are having the supply from source to load. So I want you to try this. This is very cool to watch and very cool to do as well. Yes. So that's it from my side, and thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like it and do share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy this beautiful series. And that's it from my side. Thank you.